Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashida, and if you're new here, I'm the CEO of 1122 Shoes, and I also drop business strategies for aspiring entrepreneurs. I got some exciting ass news. So I randomly decided to just drop anklets this year for the summer because I sell boots, and fall and winter is my peak season, of course. So I wanted to do something that just coincides with still in the realm of shoes, footwear, whatever. So, of course, offering accessories. Why not? So, I'm doing wide ankle or thick ankle anklets, and these will be dropping next month. I am doing a production process right now. I literally put everything in production last night. All of my packaging and everything. Y'all, why? I just got the genius idea, like today, out of nowhere, to incorporate my boots. So, hear me out. At first, I was like, okay, the cowboy thing, I don't know how to incorporate that with what I'm doing, of course, because this is what I was thinking about. Listen, so with my jewelry, I had already been doing like a luxury summer boho aesthetic and campaign vibe. I'm about to do a boho cowgirl thing. Like, that's something that you don't see too often, but it's really, really pretty, and it's going to tie in so well with my accessory campaign. So I'm going to do that, and I'm just going to, and the boots. Oh my God, I had to get y'all up. So I had a meeting with my manufacturer last night, and the boots that I'm getting sampled right now is suede, a suede cowgirl boot. And that falls into the boho theme. So as I'm driving, I like to drive in silence with no music sometimes, just to allow my mind to think and, process all of my ideas and thoughts, what have you. And I'm like, how can I tie in these suede cowgirl boots into the boho theme? Because suede goes along, with the boho aesthetic. Oh my God. This is gonna be so cute. So I'm gonna wear a nice flowy high-low dresses and style them with the mid-calf boots because I'm not doing any thigh-high boots this time. I'm gonna do mid-calf. So I'm going to style and go find some pretty flowy white dresses or some other cute dresses and style them with the mid-calf boots. And then everybody always asks me about my big Cuban link chain. I have that in production right now. So those are going to be available on the website next month as well. Those are actually already in production too. So I have gold, silver, and a two-tone color as well with gold and silver mix. This and I'm gonna take y'all along the journey so y'all can actually see how I plan out campaigns, like from start to finish this time, because I know I didn't do that with my spring campaign, which went really, really well. Let me say that I'm so proud of myself with that spring campaign. And I'm extremely ecstatic. I'm so happy with the results with the spring campaign. Like, all of the stuff that I put into that spring campaign actually did really well. So when I go all out for my campaigns like this, it makes me feel good and it's well worth it. But this boho theme, y'all, I have a backdrop. First, let me show y'all what I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm sorry, I didn't get this from Hobby Lobby. I got it from At Home. So I knew I wanted to do the jewelry, and I needed to take more product photos for the boho theme. So with the boho theme, I wanted to do palm leaves. Like the palm leaves theme, like this. When I tie all of this together, I know y'all probably can't see it. Y'all be like, Rashida, what the fuck is you talking about? Just flow with me. Flow with me. When y'all see these videos, it'll make sense. So these are all the things that I got for my flat lays to take my jewelry photos on. So I got these from At Home. They were $2 each, just to lay on the floor to take pictures on for my jewelry. And I also got this nice plate, I should say. I don't know what this is, but everything's gonna be like really pretty earth tones, and I'm gonna do pop of color because with boho theme you can have fun and do pop of color here and there. So everything is pretty much gonna be neutral with pretty touches of gold and just a small pop of color. And that's where the boots are gonna come in. But I am so excited for this campaign. Y'all have no idea. Y'all know I'm at my computer and I'm about to put this mood board together. So I'm going to show y'all exactly how to put this mood board together right now as we speak so y'all can see the whole gist of it. This video might be long, but y'all stay with me because today I'm in the mood to do some real creative shit today. So I'm about to strip this down. We're about to clean up the studio and then I'm going to set up my boho campaign right over there. Oh, one more thing. And I actually need to go ahead and pick this out. So my manufacturer sent me the samples or the swatches for the suede, and they have the pink. They have the pink that I want. So this is all the swatches for the suede. Look at this. Look at all these swatches. Did I not take a screen? I could have sworn I took a screenshot. Oh, and then I'm gonna do a denim boot. Ooh. And then I think I want to do like a brown or a tan boot with fringe, cowgirl boot with fringe, but this pink, yes, yes, ma'am. I found the pink. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I was so fucking excited. And then I want to do like this denim, almost this denim blue. It has to look denim though. Ooh, and I think 133 is giving what denim needs to give. It looks gray a little bit, but it still does give denim. Like a dark, oh, I think you're giving more blue. I need to match that up. Perfect though. Yeah, I think that's giving a little bit more gray than denim. Okay, we need to look at this some more, but I need to get in my planning back. Oh, this might be, ooh, this might work, y'all. 24. I think this is my most challenging campaign that I'm about to do. So I think that's why it's about to be my favorite, because I feel like it's about to be my most challenging one. And here's another book that I got. I tell her anything that she come across, just send me all the samples. This was the knit fabric for my Gigi boots and my Bella boots that I use to put those colors together. This is the knit fabric. But we're working with the suedes right now. How the little kids be doing it? I'm too old for that shit. I'm 36. All right, let's get to work. But we about to put together this mood board, y'all. So I'm gonna go to my favorite place to go, Pinterest, and we're gonna put this together. So I'm going into Canva and I'm creating a folder called Boho Bliss, and that's where all of everything dealing with this boho theme is going to go into that folder. Okay, so these are all of my mood boards, and we are going to start fresh with a new mood board. And I have Pinterest, right over here. So I'm going to take some of the vibes that I want and some of the looks that I'm going to try to go for. And I'm going to place them on this mood board with colors, themes, and things like that. Oh, especially like this boots. I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to copy this because I think this is an area. Yeah. I'm going to save this image. And I'm going to put it in my... and I'm going to call it Boho Bliss. No, I'm just gonna say Boho 1, so that way I know it's coming together so nicely. I think I need maybe a couple of just a couple more pictures to add to the vision board or the mood board, and I think I'm gonna be done. But it came out so cute. I found a lot of cute pieces that I'm gonna use and buy pieces from and kind of piece them together that way. But all in all, everything is coming out so nicely and I absolutely freaking love it. It's boho, has a lot of greenery, nudes, earth tones for sure, with lots of cute pops of color. Have fun with denim in there. Like this one. Ooh, this is a perfect one. Save that one. I'm going to actually click on this. I love how she got that pop of color in there. That teal. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I'm going to save this. Save image. And I think this is going to be my last image, but this was definitely a cute pop of color. So all right, this is my vision board, you guys. So you see I got a really pretty pop of color here, and of course this is going to be the pop of color that I'm going to add to the collection is this pink, and then I'm going to do like a pretty denim blue type colors. But look at the palm trees. Remember I showed y'all the palm trees I got from at home? So all the palm trees, the denims, that cute pop of color that she has on there with the cowboy boots. So this is going to be a really, 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 really fun campaign to bring cowgirl and the boho aesthetic together. So this dress is what I'm actually getting. I'm going to get that dress right there. I'm going to order this one. These are actually pieces that I'm going to piece together for an outfit. And this top right here to go. So this is a whole outfit right here. This is a whole outfit. That outfit, this is going to be something together. And then I'm going to do this one with the mid-calf brown. I'm going to do like a brown fringe boot. It's going to go really cute with this one. And I don't know, I think I'm gonna do, I don't know, I can pretty much have fun with this dress, but it was kind of just like an inspiration. But I just needed to know how I need to set up my content wall that's going to be over there. So we're about to take that down. And this is how I get started. It's like literally putting all my thoughts and ideas together and making them come to life in my studio. Okay, yeah, I'm kind of stuck because I don't know if I want to use this one or use this one since it has kind of like flower theme. But I'm going with the greenery. But I think the, what are these called? I don't even know what these called. But I think it look cute with the green. But I have this to put on the floor. This is the floor. But I don't know which one of these two I want to use. I don't want to open both of them. But I don't know which one I want to use. And I feel like I'm gearing towards more of this one. Because I feel like since these have like the different arches, I probably can do more with it. So I went to Hobby Lobby and, let me put this down. So I went to Hobby Lobby and got some stuff. But this is the setup. Isn't it so cute? Let me show y'all. Isn't it so stinking cute? Like, it looks real. My son thought it was an actual tunnel. And when he came in there, he tried to go through it and bumped his head. Y'all, it was so funny. Show y'all the stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby. So make sure y'all keep in mind of the boho theme that I showed y'all on my vision board or on my mood board. So remember, keep that. Okay, so this is gonna be a rough draft because I don't have tape on the floor, and I usually put tape on my floors to keep my floor backdrop in place, but I don't have tape that's going to work right now. So this is going to be just a rough draft of how everything is going to look. So we about to set this up. So I got these beautiful trees from Hobby Lobby, y'all, and I can't wait to put this together. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I want to record a TikTok too on my DJI. I'm probably gonna have to start vlogging on my other camera because I really want to do a TikTok video as well. So this is what we got. I'm just gonna have to show y'all what we got, and then I'm gonna do the TikTok video. I guess I'll insert the TikTok video here when I finish so I can use it. But I got these plants, got some all the greenery. So I got all of this green, and then I got these wicker baskets that I want to use. I got a little flower pot. I also got the little wicker cowgirl hat as well. I want to do a touch of gold, so I'm going to add that stand right there. And probably this flower pot right here too, but I don't know. But this chair is going here too. Sorry, y'all. My studio is a mess, so no judgment. But we're going to add that chair right there as well. But I'll be back. I'm going to show y'all the finished product when I'm finished. If I show y'all. Oh, I got to add one more touch. That's the touch I was missing. I just saw it before I show y'all. Ooh! I'm about to show y'all the final touch that I just made. Oh my God, y'all. I know I be saying a lot is my best one. Like, I be like, this is my best one. This is officially the best setup I have ever done. For real. Like, this is y'all, let me just, look at this. Look, do y'all see this shit? Do y'all fucking see this? Y'all, I amaze myself sometimes. This is absolutely gorgeous. My whole freaking, I'm telling y'all, if you're a business owner, do a freaking mood board. Every aspect came to life with the greenery. Look how beautiful this is. Got the cowboy hat sitting there for the rodeo. Just put a touch of gold. I just want to make sure I put touches of gold everywhere so that it could still be, you know, luxurious. But a boho, this shit came. Just stay tuned for the outfits. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all follow me on this campaign series. Literally all y'all have to do is follow me and do exactly what I do with these campaigns, y'all. It worked. I'm telling you, I literally go all out for my campaigns for great reasons. I really should be a creative director. Like, why the fuck not? Y'all stay tuned for this little series. I am so excited about this launch. Y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.